wondered what makes a flower bloom, a bird fly, or even how you breathe? Let's find out. The word biology comes from two Greek words, bio meaning life and logos meaning study. So biology simply means the study of life. Now, what is the meaning of life? Life means being alive. To be alive means an organism must grow, reproduce, use energy, respond to surroundings, respire and excrete, maintain balance inside the body, and adopt over time. These are called the characteristics of life. First one is growth. All living things grow. A tiny seed becomes a tall tree. A baby kitten grows into a cat. And we humans grow taller and stronger every year. Non-living things like rocks never grow. They just stay the same. Second one is reproduction. Living things make more of their own kind. Birds lay eggs. Plants produce seeds. And humans have babies. This is called reproduction. It keeps life continuing on Earth. Third one is use of energy. Every living thing needs energy. Plants make their food using sunlight, and animals, including us, get energy by eating food. This energy helps in everything we do, moving, growing, and staying alive. Fourth one is response to surroundings. Living things can respond to what's around them. When you touch something hot, you quickly move your hand away. Plants turn towards sunlight. These reactions show that living things sense and respond to their environment. Fifth one is respiration and excretion. All living things breathe or exchange gases. This is called respiration. Humans and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, while plants do the opposite during the day. Living things also remove waste, like when we do poops or pass urine. This process is called excretion. Sixth one is maintaining balance. Living things keep their inside condition balanced, like body temperature, water, and energy. When we feel hot, we sweat to cool down. That's our body keeping balance. Seventh one is adaptation. Over time, living things change to survive better in their surroundings. Camels have hump to store fat for desert life, and polar bears have thick fur to live in the cold. This ability to adjust is called adaptation. So these all are the characteristics of life. And the study of life is called biology. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.